missing since I get some troubles with the internet. All right, so basically, as you see here, it's not a 45-degree line as previous, right? So you find that it's still uneven, right? It's not even, but it's not absolutely uneven. All right, so the lower quartile, which is Q1, it's said to receive, based on this diagram, 5%, right? So the first 25% of the population receive 5% of the income, right? While the other 25%, which is Q2, receive 15, and then Q3, 45, and they fall in the other 45% of the income, while the upper quartile, which is Q4, fall in the higher rank of the income. So if you do the calculation, basically like this. So for Q1, it would be what? 5 minus 0, and that equal to 5%, right? For Q2, it is, which is another 25%, it would be 15 equals to 15% minus 5, which equals to 10%. So they get 10% in reality of the income, right? On the other hand now, you have Q3. So Q3 receive, let's say 45 minus 15. Remember 15%, 10 and 5 are 15, already gone to the two lower quartiles, all right? So this would equal to 30%. So they get 30% of the income, right? So for Q4, which is the upper quartile, remember 45% already gone, because 30, 10, and 5, 45 already gone to the rest of the population. So this leaves the upper quartile, right, to get 100 minus 45, which equals to 55%. So they get 55%. So it's unevenly distributed, all right, based off this Lorenz curve. So remember, the line of absolute would be right here, because it's a 45-degree, right? 45-degree. But our Lorenz curve don't fall on the 45-degree line, right? So this is our Lorenz curve. All right, so that's our Lorenz curve, which falls below the line of absolute, which is this line. Line of absolute equality. All right, so a quick recap. So for an Lorenz curve, for an uneven distribution of income, you'll find that the Lorenz curve would pivot more so to the right, right? Or it would be to the right of the line of absolute, which is the 45-degree line here, the dashed line. So this basically says for the lower quartile, which is the first 25% or the lower 25% of the economy, they'll receive 5% of income, while the second quartile, which is the second 25% of the population, would receive 10%, right, amounting to 15 among the two lowest. And then the third quartile, right, somewhat the middle class, however the case may be, would receive 30% of the total income within this economy, which is right here, the third, right? This is the second quartile where equilibrium meets. And then for the fourth quartile, which is upper class, they receive 55%, all right? So that's how the 100% of income is distributed among. If you add up all of this, it's supposed to come up to 100. All right. So that's the recap for this one.